Well, welcome. And here we are. The hidden problems killing manufacturing and how to fix them. There are problems in manufacturing right now. Most shops don't talk about, not because they don't see them, but because fixing them requires change. And change is uncomfortable. But if they don't get addressed, they will hold your shop back. Let's start with technology. A lot of small shops are behind, not because they're incapable, but because they're delayed adopting new tools. Digital tracking, automation, support systems, better quoting and scheduling software. Instead, they rely on manual processes, paper, memory, verbal communication. And that works until it doesn't, because other shops are moving faster. More visibility, better data, smarter decisions. So what's the solution? You don't have to go all in overnight. Start small. Track downtime, digitize scheduling, implement basic systems that give you visibility. Build from there, because technology isn't replacing your shop, it's helping it compete. Next, skilled technicians. This is a growing issue. Shops are investing in advanced equipment, but they're not investing in people who need it to run it. Robotics, automation, complex machinery all require specialized knowledge. So what's the fix? Well, you have to build it. Train internally. Identify people with potential and develop them. Partner with schools if you can. Create paths and roles like robot techs and programmers. Because waiting to find these people, that's not a strategy. That's a gamble. Now, let's talk about the most overlooked issue. Documentation, or lack of. Too many machines running jobs with little to no guidance. Or worse, outdated instructions that don't reflect reality. And this creates inconsistency, scrap, rework, confusion. So, what's the solution? You need living documents, not something created once and forgotten, something updated as conditions change. Here's a real example. Let's say you have a plastic shop. Parts start getting flash. The mold isn't perfect. Maybe it needs repair, but production still has to run it. So what happens? Operators figure out how to trim it. They develop a way to make it work. That knowledge needs to be captured and updated, an updated sheet at the machine, showing exactly how to handle it, where to trim, what's acceptable, what to watch for. So every operator runs the same way until the mold gets fixed. And that's how you maintain consistency, even with imperfect conditions. Because without that update, every shift handles it differently, and your quality becomes unpredictable. This applies everywhere. CNC, stamping, molding, processes change. Your documentation has to change with it. Now there's a bigger picture. Technology, skilled people, documentation, all connected, all pointing at one thing: structure. Shops that build systems, train people, and adapt, they move forward. The ones that don't, they stay stuck or fall behind. So the question is, are you reacting to the problems, or are you building something that prevents them? Because the future of manufacturing isn't just about machines. It's about how well you use them and how well you prepare the people running them. Please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate everyone who watches these videos all the way through. I feel there's a lot of good information here. And if you have any ideas or comments, please put them in. I read them all. And until the next one, I'll see you then.